on this part here, I will talk to you a little bit about onto the basic training. Now, onto the beauty side, onto the basic training side, is you got to get used to understand about cover. Okay, your hand to cover properly, so you can able to attack from the covering because it's designed for backup training. You use a lot of this power movement onto the shoulder, headbutt, drop when the palm drop. This kind of movement you use a lot to come in to do the movement. Now a lot of this onto the training side, onto the basic, you got to get used to certain move. When you stand normally somebody punch, you got no time to raise your hand because soon you raise your hand, you might miss an attack come to your face. So soon attack, you cover. So that will land into your hand. This is why the chi sao play very big role on this kind of training. Soon you feel the hand, then you can able to either force, or you can able making the attack, or you can making the drop when the hand lay into you. So this is why designed for backup. On this training here, you got to get used to work with this kind of training. On this basic, you cover the hand like this. It's only 3 different lines of this. So you got one like this, you got one hand cover like this as you progress, and then as you come in outside, you got one hand come inside of your hand like this to cover. So designed for backup, so you can able to quickly deal with your enemy quickly. Each of the hand position, you're using this kind of movement a lot into the ground training. Okay, you use from the ground training to cover yourself when you're down the ground, either cover like this or either cover like this onto your face. So it's stopping the attack coming to your face. As you progress, you will see a lot of this. At this present moment on the basic training, you will see a lot of hand cover your face like this to work. So when you're working through this, spend time to make sure you learn the basic right, get your hand in the right place. Otherwise, when you want to use it later on, you will find difficult. So spend some time to go through this so to get in the idea of the basic training. I will see you on to the next lesson.